Hey guys, today we got the Pit Barrel Junior. We're going to do a quick unboxing, so look, let's jump into it, see what it's all about. Right everyone, so this is the Pit Barrel Junior, or better known as the PBJ. It's the smallest of the three. You can get obviously the PBJ, the mid size or a large barrel. Picked this one up this morning. This is on half price sale at the Q Club for any of my fellow Victorians. It's yeah, I think a really good price for half price. You can't beat it. So these things should last a long time. So look, let's jump in. Shouldn't take long to unbox. We're looking forward to seeing what's involved. So we'll start pulling some stuff out, and then we'll run through it. Obviously, in there you've got your instructions. And then here we've got the lid. I'll just place it over here. Put it off. Here we've got some more boxes. So we'll open that one open. What's in here? This looks like it's just probably the tools. Looks to be the tools and the hooks. So we'll go through that in a minute. Let's pull out. Great. And we've got the smoking dome. Yeah, handles, protector. And this should really pull out there like it does. Beautiful. Excellent. Into that. Put this over. See if we can get a better shot at some point. And there's the cooker. So, Pit Barrel Junior. In the middle, just all the packaging and so forth. Assuming these will be the Rio bars. In here for a minute. And that's about it. In here, charcoal basket. All the packaging out, roll everything out for you. Put the charcoal basket just there. So I haven't grabbed any add-on accessories at the moment. Just said Saturday, I had a few hours to pick this up. So let's pull this out and have a gander. Okay, so we've unboxed that. Here's some accessories. You get your 4 hanging hooks as part of the PBJ, just your fixings, screwdriver and spanner. All you're going to have to put together here, from what I'm aware of, is just the handle on the lid. You've got your hook remover. You've got your horseshoe, so that's the handle for the lid. And obviously you've got some rebars here as well, which are used to hang and for damper control. So in here, you've got your ash bucket, you've got your lid, you've got your stand, so that's going to go on the base. And then you also get your basic cooking grate with it. Another accessory that I want to get is the hinge grate, so that's going to be really helpful. And we'll go through that later on as well. Okay, and then last but not least, you've got your congratulations on the Pit Barrel. So obviously this is made in America. This is actually a direct line as well to the manufacturer in America. So for those that don't know, this was created by an Army vet from the US. The feedback as a customer service is fantastic from them. So you get a sticker there, you get a welcome guide. So this is just a bit of an overview of the sort of rubs you can get. It gives you a bit of an overview of how to cook. There's the instruction manual, and this is just the assembly. So it's going to be as simple as whacking on the handle, which we'll do now. There's the actual Pit Barrel cooker, and the damper is already preset based upon where you are above sea level. So that's fine. So let's just chuck this handle on now and see how we go, just doing a quick setup. Okay, so for this one, it's a couple of screws, a couple of washers, and a couple of bolts. So we're just going to line, initially you'll line this up, and the look of it. Yep, that way. Okay. At least it lines up. Like some of the stuff you get nowadays, it doesn't line up anyway. We just chuck that there. That's one advantage of this being made in the States. No disrespect to our friendly Asian counterparts, but tends to work a bit better, I think. and then they'll just go on. Washers go on here, nuts on here, hand tighten it says just at first. Make sure that the holes match and we've got it centered. There, make sure it's centered, looks good. Tighten a bit. And then we'll finish it off this way. Double check it because I'm pedantic about this sort of shit. Okay, I'm happy with that. And that is going to be it. Good. Great. Okay, handles on. Good. Just a horseshoe. Very simple thought process, but I'll tell you what, good idea. Alright, so now we've just got the base. So that's just going to go under here. And that will sit on there like so. That's good. And we've got the charcoal basket. So that's just going to sit straight in the middle of this thing. Right down the base. Which is great. And then we've also got the grate, which you can just slide in here. A minute. Just sits there, lid. Make sure it's snug fit. If it's snug, it's going to do its job. And then the final thing, for when you want to start hanging and so forth, whack your rebars straight through there. And then the other one, like that. And then that is how it's ready to set up for cooking. So that's all done and dusted. As another thing you can get as an add-on accessory is the pit barrel cooker bottle opener. So they give you a little mounting point there. Good idea. They're $50 in Australia, so they're not cheap just for a bottle opener, but I'll tell you what, I'll probably end up getting one. As I said, the damper's already set. It's already just under a crescent moon, you could say, so that's ready to go for where we are here in southern Australia. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's some good accessories, as I mentioned. I'll probably start looking at getting some accessories at some point. The custom grill grate is something that I'll definitely get. Probably end up getting like a turkey or chicken hanger. Don't need the chimney starter. But then the other addition, which would be good, would be the custom hangers, so for corn and so forth. But look, I'm looking forward to cooking with this. It's supposed to be a rib machine. We only needed a small one, and hopefully we can share some cooks with you at some point. But so that's everyone. PPJ set up, really seamless build, really quick, even quicker if you're better than me at putting a handle on. Other than that, really really good value. Really looking forward to smashing some ribs out on this. These are supposed to be rib machines, so we'll drop some videos as we get more experience with it, but really looking forward to it. So yeah, look, if you like the video, drop a like, drop a subscribe, ask any questions you want, and look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers, take care.